In front of me is OnePlus Nord N100, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select System and reach Accessibility. And here just click on Talkback. To activate this feature, you need to click on Use Service and allow all needed permissions. Here you can go through the tutorial if you want to. You've got 5 lessons here, but let me go back because all you need to know is written here. So let us listen to it.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK in list 2 items. Google Play Protect is turned on. This feature protects your device from harmful apps.
Okay, so all you need to do here, as written above, is to mark something once, then listen to the feedback.
Back button, out of list. Double tap to activate.
So double tap to activate it. And as you can see, we are back. To scroll, use your 2 fingers. And then to pick something, again, click once, double tap. And to turn Talkback off, mark Use Service again, double tap, click on Stop, double tap, and as you can see, it has been switched off. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use Talkback in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.